So the Tbr7 has officially become unreliable, and we're at 7,964 kilometers today. And I've been running it off the kickstart because the battery doesn't have enough battery to do anything. Doesn't even have enough to turn the blinker on, so it's definitely the battery. So we have the lawnmower battery. We're going to bring that over and try the electric start with the lawnmower battery. Sometimes it would kickstart first try, and then I went to town today and it took me 20 minutes to get it kick-started to get it home. We have our voltmeter out here. We'll test the battery on the Tbr7. We're getting 10 volts, 10.3. So that worked. So the starter's still good, I think. I'm pretty sure it's just the battery. So we're just going to put this battery in a backpack and go to town like that. And we'll just connect it if we have to. So this is how we got to start it now. So I've been riding a Tbr7 with no side panel, carrying the lawnmower battery in the backpack. But today we got a battery for it, so we'll open that up. All right, here it goes. We'll try it. Perfect. So all we needed was a new battery.